Now let us check the network settings on worker 2 and then join worker 2 to the cluster. Now when we are going to run this IPAS ENS33 command, it is showing the address 192.168.142.138, which was obtained dynamically due to net setting. Then the other interface is IPAS ENS38. The static address is 172.24.0.202 and host name is worker2.example.com and DNS domain name is example.com. Then SC status, we can check the status regarding SC Linux, that is disabled. Firewall is also disabled. We can check the status IP tables -L. Then swap on S, it is showing that our swap partition is there, so we are going to disable that partition. And in host file we have made the same entries, IP addresses of the 3 systems and name of 3 systems. So when we make these entries in the host file of all the system, it behaves like a DNS server. So we have disabled the swap partition by using the same process. That means we commented this line, then we ran the command swap of -a, then this disabled the swap. Then we can check with the swap on -s status command. We made those firewall settings, then we enable those settings. That means same things that we did in master system and worker 1 system. Now we have already copied that repository file and token file. So with the yum install y kubelet kubeadm kubectl docker, we are going to install the package. Now it is going to install the package. Then we have to enable the docker temporarily and permanent. You have to enable kubelet temporarily and permanent. Then we are going to check the docker version, it is working properly. Then we have to join again. This is the token file what we are going to run, ./token. This is for running the executable file. Now what messages it is going to give? This node has joined the cluster. This is the command that actually we run. Then docker image ls, it is going to pull the images, and with the docker image ls you can check the images. Now verify whether the cluster is running or not. We will go to the master system. When we are going to run this kubectl get nodes, what it is saying, first system is ready but second system is not ready. It is going to take time. Again and again, after sometimes we are going to run this command kubectl get nodes, again ready, not ready. Then again when we are running, it is showing that now worker 1 is ready. And after some times when we are going to again run this command kubectl get nodes, it is showing that all the 3 systems are running. This is our master system, these are our worker system. So we successfully implemented the Kubernetes cluster, and we have seen the various steps that are involved. Now our if we are going to show diagrammatically, then this is our master Kubernetes system, these are the worker systems. So we will be running the commands here. Automatically it is going to schedule ports and the thing according to our needs. So in our case, most of the commands we will be running on master system.